In this video, we will discuss about notifications in ServiceNow. How ServiceNow platform sends notification to its users on different events, how you can manage user notifications, and we will also learn configuring inbound actions. An email notification is used to update or alert the users about any action or event related to the record. Let's navigate to the system notifications to view the system notifications that are configured out of the box. Here's a complete list of notifications that are configured. We can click on the New button in the header panel to create a new notification. For the purpose of this video, we will open and view one of the notification which is already configured. So here, we have some generic information and then we have the three most important tabs. The first one is when to send. This tab specifies the condition when the notification should be sent. The second is who will receive. This tab specifies the recipient for the notification, such as in the users, groups, or user/groups in the fields. Lastly, the what it will contain tab. This tab specifies the content of the notifications, like the subject, message, and other details. Please note that the recipients of notifications must be active users with a valid email address defined and have the appropriate notification preferences enabled. After creating or updating the notification, we can use the preview notification action here to view the content of the notification. Also note that we can use the dot walking feature from this plus button here to navigate to the different fields which are being referenced on the selected table. If the individual performing the action that generated the notification is included in the recipient, we can control whether or not to send a notification to the user. To view that field, we can click on this advanced view link and you can see this field called Send to Event Creator. We can select this checkbox or make it false. And also note that if a notification has more than 100 recipients, then the system creates multiple notifications. These actions can be controlled by system property. To view the email logs, type emails in the search field and within system log and you'll find all of the logs for emails sent by the system. Moving on to the next topic, email accounts. Go to System Mailboxes and under Administration click on Email Accounts. Email accounts store the connection details and credentials the system uses to access external email servers and services. By default, ServiceNow provides two email accounts, the SMTP and the POP3 accounts. In addition, we can also use the email accounts with IMAP protocol as well. Please note that the system solely permits one SMTP email account to be active at a time, as it sends all the emails using this account. However, to receive the emails, we can also use multiple POP3 and IMAP accounts. By default, the system uses the email address as instance name at the rate service-now.com to send an email. In addition, you can see the SMTP account generated by ServiceNow. You may have also noticed that most of these details are read-only, as these accounts are configured and maintained by ServiceNow. However, we can change the label and email address used to send emails to users. The next topic is notification scripts. Email notifications are used to create notification content from the server-side scripting with an outbound email message. Let's navigate and see how the notification scripts are created. Type System Notification in the search field and navigate down to Notification Email Scripts. Here's we can see a list of all the out-of-the-box notification scripts. Let's open one of them. Here you can see the notification scripts which have been created and given a name as incident assigned to. These notification scripts are created to make it easy to use the same scripts across multiple email notifications or templates. Moving on to the video's final topic, which is inbound email action. This feature specifies what actions the system takes in response to an incoming email. Let's navigate and look at the inbound actions available out of the box. So, here's a list of all the inbound actions available, and let's open one of them. We are looking at Create Incident, Inbound Email Action. This feature uses the conditions and the scripts to take actions on the target table. The target table for this inbound email action is incident, and there are two action types to choose from. The record action, which is used to set a value for a field in the target table. Whereas, the reply email is used to send a response to the source that triggered the action. Next, we have these three tabs. The first is the when to run. This tab specifies the circumstances under which the inbound email actions should be performed. The Actions tab lets you specify the actions that will be made in response to the email message. For example, you can include a script to perform other actions, as seen here. The Description tab lets you define a description of an inbound email action. It must be noted that in the absence of a watermark, the inbound email action attempts to create an incident from the message. If the email contains a watermark, then the inbound action updates the existing incident according to the action script. Additionally, the system creates an incident in the sender's domain, and if the user does not have a domain, the incident is created in the global domain. Thank you.